Changing the world. Change that begins with students. Change that begins with community. It begins with parents. It begins with employees. At Tempe Elementary Schools, changing the world begins with me.
Meyer Montessori is a place for children to come and learn where they are at, to be loved, to be cherished for their uniqueness, for their individuality, for who they are when they walk in the door that day.
We give the kids a chance to really drive their own learning. So they're very self-motivated and they research and they teach each other and support each other and really take ownership of the space.
Each classroom has a specific spot that they take care of. Like our classroom, we take care of the courtyard. This classroom, they take care of the garden. The other classroom, they take care of the path over there made out of gravel. And like we're all taking care of this one school, and the preschoolers, they take care of the outside garden.
The rooms are multi-age, and being a multi-age room, it has 3 age spans or 3 grade spans, and it's really motivating to see the grade level above you, what they're working on, and so it gives the children purpose to complete what they're working on.
You know, what I love to see is the dynamic among the kids, and I can already tell, you know, just witnessing them outside of school, you know, how the little ones look up to the bigger ones, you know, and they learn faster because their peers are teaching them, and then the older ones learn faster because they're teaching the younger ones, and so it's this really gorgeous interplay of teaching and learning at the same time.
When you walk through the campus, you'll always see little groups of children clustered around something, and it looks like they're scheming and they're planning and they're adapting, and so it's just really cool to see the children take ownership.
The way they learn is very kind to them. Like, it's not a lecture, there's not a teacher in front of them all the time. They experience everything that they learn.
What's different at Meyer is that they are organic. They are not teacher-led. None of these experiences that are social, emotional, and entrepreneurship experiences are not teacher-led or curriculum-guided. They are organic, they are natural, they are spontaneous, and research shows that these are the most meaningful experiences that a child can learn from when it's self-driven.
We feel like it makes our child a lot more passionate about learning because it's child-led, and it has turned into something that they really love to do.
The environment promotes self-direction and independence and inner motivation. Intrinsic motivation is the key to the strongest type of learning. This is the way that Meyer brings out the best of children.
It is so evident that this place works for children. They are happy, they are motivated, they are independent, and every day they set their own goals and they work towards them, and it's not teacher-driven, it's student-driven. So they're constantly aware of what's next for them.
Meyer Montessori is the way it is because of the people here, right? The teachers are stellar. They really have a passion for the students and for the philosophy of Montessori. They love their students, they love the parents. I feel very connected to everyone, and I can't recommend Meyer Montessori enough. Everybody is so amazing here.